AI is an absolute game changer, especially when it comes to investing. Now, imagine an app where AI comes up with your investing strategy based on the prompts, the market conditions, industry, who's buying the stock, or whatever you ask it. Then automatically generates a profile where you can directly invest your money into. Now, this isn't some far-fetched idea. This app already exists with StreetBeat. In this video, we're going to give you an overview of the StreetBeat app, how they are reinventing investing, and the exciting features that help it stand out from the other trading apps currently on the market. So let's get started. I've been using popular trading apps on my phone for nearly a decade now, but it always seemed like it was missing some key features, especially in recent times with all the new ways people are using AI. There are two key features that separate StreetBeat from the other mobile trading apps out there.
AI and algorithmic investing.
AI has been breaking the news lately, with people just scratching the capabilities with services such as ChatGPT, DALL-E, and thispersondoesnotexist.com. As for algorithmic investing, it has historically been reserved for the use of the big hedge funds. Now, StreetBeat makes it available to people like you and me. Of course, you still have the option to do manual trading with the US stocks and ETFs, just like how you've been doing it for years on your investing app. So let's take a deeper dive into both today's sponsors, StreetBeat, and their AI and algorithmic investing, and why this is a game changer when it comes to consumer trading apps and how it could potentially work with your investing strategies. As we discovered in the past few months, AI is capable of a lot of things, such as creating artwork, realistic looking people, or doing some of your 9-to-5 job responsibilities. But it can also be an extremely useful tool when it comes to investing. Similar to asking ChatGPT a question or to output a task for you, you can have a conversation with StreetBeat as if you're talking to a personal broker. For an example, you can ask StreetBeat to create portfolios based on a certain sector and a bunch of other factors, such as the renewable energy sector, assuming high inflation for the next 2 years. Or another type of example could be companies that focus on carbon offset projects or consumer industry with purchases from Congress. After StreetBeat calculates the portfolio based on your prompt, it will then provide several portfolios which you could choose from. I also really like how it gives you a quick summary of what the portfolio is focused on, how it works, and the actual allocation with the companies and the percentage breakdown. This makes it a lot easier to understand the different portfolios and what you're potentially investing in. The AI is also useful when you want to suggest where to invest big picture. For an example, if I didn't know where I wanted to invest $500, I could use the app for suggestions based on today's market, or if I wanted to invest in a big idea. I could then prompt StreetBeat to do all the research for me. This then can give me ideas where to investigate further or to invest my funds directly for me. At the end of the day, StreetBeat's AI helps you to create more customized investing strategies. For decades, I just put my money in the S&P fund and let it sit on autopilot. But now you have the option to create an investing strategy based on today's market and where the market is going in the future. One of the advantages with AI is that it will automatically reallocate your portfolio periodically, so you don't have to update your portfolio as new data or new news comes out. With all this information out there nowadays, people should not be going off a gut feeling when it comes to investing or making trades. The thing is, there could be so much information, it gets, well, overwhelming. StreetBeat uses over 1 billion points of data every day to make more informed decisions. They currently use both public and private data such as credit card and debit card transactions, mobile app usage, mobile GPS, and social sentiment. Typically, this type of data-driven insights have been reserved by Wall Street. Seems like you might need to be a data scientist to understand these features and data, but StreetBeat makes it easier to take advantage of these tools. For example, when looking at our previous input to ask StreetBeat, it automatically considers the public and private data when building the portfolios for you, so you don't have to understand the billions of data points and what they mean. Other app features: number 1, exploring strategies section. This can give you an idea where to potentially investigate for investing. Covers popular investing portfolios such as the US Congress buys, government contracts, earning calls, and many more. Number 2, the scheduled investments. You can set the investment frequency to whatever you prefer, whether that's every weekday, the first of the month, or every other week. It can be automatically invested in the portfolio that you choose. Number 3 is the transfer brokerage accounts. In a few simple steps, you can request an account transfer. Start letting your trading app work for you and not the other way around. If you're not already using AI or algorithmic investing with data, math, and stats to back it up, then you're potentially leaving money on the table. Make sure to subscribe to see the future videos about StreetBeat, such as going more in depth with AI trading. Thank you again to today's sponsor, StreetBeat. If you enjoyed this video, then you're definitely going to want to watch this video that has been hand-selected by the almighty YouTube algorithm. I'll see you guys in the next one, and this is Kevin, your financial tutor, signing off. Peace. Kevin Financial Tutor is a client of StreetBeat and is compensated based on a fixed monthly fee and user signups. All investing involves risk, including the possible loss of money you invest, and past performance does not guarantee future performance.